Hey guys! So, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can translate some website, internet site, however you want to call it, into some other language. I will also tell you later what are the issues around this also, and without further ado, let's just roll in the intro, shall we? So, very first thing to do is to open up web browser. I will left mouse button click on the Brave. I have it on the desktop. You open whatever web browser you want, on whatever operating system you have. Also, I'm recording this video on Windows 10 operating system 22H2, 64-bit, professional, yes. Now, second step is to open up the web page you want to be translated. For example, ACOnetwork.net/about me. For example, that is my about me page on my website. And I will click SL, that means Slovenian translation. So we will translate it from Slovenian to English, for example. Now, right mouse button click at the address. In your case, maybe looking like this. You right mouse button click and it is not selected. In that case, just click on the end of the address and hold left mouse button click, drag it, and when you select it completely, release mouse button. And now go over the selected area, selected text, and right mouse button click on it and click copy. Now I will open up new tab over here, plus button, left mouse button, click on it. In the URL area, I will type in translate.google.com and press enter key on the keyboard. So this is the translation web page that I will use for today. So on the left side is source, on the right side is target. You can select first the language. By default, it is selected as detect language. It will detect the language of the text or website, whatever you're translating. But if you know what is the source language, please just select it. Because detect is not always working like it should. So, because I know it is in Slovenian language, I will click this arrow down button with left mouse button click and scroll down until I get to Slovenian. Here it is. Left mouse button click on the Slovenian. Now, here in the text area, what we are translating, I will just right mouse button click and click paste. And this is the address we copied earlier. Now on the right side, select the target language. For me, it is already selected in English, but if you want to change it to something else, and it is not in this line, you can also click on the arrow and select your language there. But English is good enough for these presentation purposes. And now you see that this is a link. And now if I click on it, you see I get a translated website. Before I go over the broken site, how it is, here on the top you can do a few stuff like you can change language, you can select with arrow what other language you want to translate to. There is translation, you can see original site and translated site and so on. There is several things. But okay. Next, I need to talk about the translation. Even that this site is translated, you see? I'm a guy from Slovenia, etc, etc, etc. But the problem is that site does not look like anything like original. It is completely broken, ugly and such. And that is the issue from translating websites. Sometimes it will be like this. translated but ugly. Sometimes it won't be translated at all or partially translated. Sometimes it will keep the visuals of the website, but it won't translate, or partially or fully translate. It all depends on the website, how it is done. So, anyway, in my case here, I could translate it and I can just read this, and that's it. If you have any questions, type below in the comment section, and I hope that it was interesting. And until next time, have a blast, people. Bye bye.